Hi, this is Mercy from Max Reviews, and today we are reviewing this flow lamp. This is amazing. It comes in a box like this, and after setting it up, this is how it should look like. And it's very simple to assemble because it's just one connected tube, and then you just have to screw it and get it together. So here is mine. I already assembled it. Only up to one of these bulbs because it comes with this, and then it also comes with another one. You can choose either to put a warm light or a very shiny light like this one. If you switch it on like that, this is how it looks. So it really, and the nicer thing is you can turn it either way to whatever you want. So you can put the other one of this on here, and then you can either put a warm light depending on what you want. When I want a cozy room, I put a warm light. When I just want to study, I can use that light. And you can use this for so many different things. You can flex it to be directly on your table or anything that you want. So, and this is how long the cable is. So this is very good to use because you can still extend it to other places. You can move it around. It's easy to fold when you're trying to move. I really recommend this light. It comes in different colors as well. I'm a big fan of gold, so that is why I get this. And I hope you like it. Please go and check it out. This is a perfect light for your dorm, for your office, for your lounge, for your bedroom, anywhere you want.